Looking for the best Philips air fryer but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 4 best Philips air fryer based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 4. Number 4. For those who value simplicity and performance, the Philips TurboStar Technology air fryer is a great option. This analog interface makes it easy to use, and the TurboStar Technology delivers up to 50% more homogeneous end results. I appreciate the fact that no preheating is required, making it perfect for busy cooks. The easy clean feature in just 90 seconds is also a major plus. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of other air fryers, its performance and ease of use make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable air fryer. Number 3. The Philips Dual Basket Air Fryer 3000 series is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook multiple dishes at once. This unique feature allows you to prepare 2 distinct meals simultaneously, making it perfect for large families or entertaining. With its generous 9.5 quart capacity and 2 drawers, you can cook a variety of dishes, from mains to snacks, with ease. I've found the auto-sync cooking time feature to be particularly useful, ensuring that both drawers are cooked to perfection. Overall, this air fryer is a versatile and convenient addition to any kitchen. Number 2. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL with fat removal technology is a game-changer for anyone looking to reduce fat in their cooking. This innovative feature extracts and captures excess fat, giving you healthier options with ease. With a large 3-pound capacity and no preheat required, you can cook faster than an oven and make meals for up to 6 people every day. I appreciate the digital display and 5 cooking presets, making it easy to get started. The included 1-year warranty provides peace of mind, and the quick clean basket with non-stick coating makes cleaning a snap. Number 1. Let's talk about the Philips 2000 series air fryer with RapidAir Technology. This standout feature is its ability to deliver crispy results with minimal oil, making it perfect for healthier meal options. If you're looking for a versatile air fryer that can do it all, this is a great choice. With 13 different cooking methods and a spacious 4.4 quart capacity, you can cook for the whole family without compromising on taste. I've found it easy to use and clean, with dishwasher-safe parts making the process a breeze. Overall, I'm impressed with the Philips 2000 series air fryer's performance and convenience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.